Hello class. Today we are going to start our lesson number 1, which is going to be on Introduction to Python. So let's move forward. The contents that we are going to be covering are: what is Python, advantages of Python, disadvantages of Python, what is Python. So let's see what is Python. Python is a high-level programming and general-purpose programming language. Okay. So for this to understand, we are going to see some important definition, like what is high level language. Programming language that is easy to understand, interpret or compile is called high level language. There are two kinds of language: low level language and high level language. We all know that computer runs on binary language and computer understands only binary language. So high level languages, what does high level language basically do? It allows us to code in our native in our English language. It is based on English syntax that is easy for us to understand and we can code easily. That is understandable to us and as well as the computer. The computer doesn't understand high level language, but the compiler compiles it and converts it to binary language or low level language, which is assembly language and machine language for us. That makes our work easier. And what is general purpose language? General purpose language is programming language used to write software in a wide variety of application domains. A programming language on which we can write softwares or programs that can run on different type of domains, on mobile, on uh, different types of machine, on like ATM, and then we have our computer, which is the base of. Some important information about Python. Python programming language was created by Guido van Rosen in 1991. It is based on C language. So it is written, Python programming language is written and based on C programming language. Advantages of Python. Easy to understand. The first advantage is easy to understand. As it is a high level language and has English syntax, it is easy to understand. It is based on C. It is based on C language. This means, therefore, anyone that has knowledge of C language can code easily, as it uses similar line of code. So basically Python is easy to understand because it is a high level language. As I said, that it is understandable to us and the computer as well, so we know what we are writing, as it has similar words of English and we all know. And if you have a background of C, then the code syntax line, the line of code that we write on C is similar to what we do in Python, so it becomes easy, and it is very adaptive to and very useful for beginners. Going on, improve productivity. Python syntax provides improved productivity, as its syntax allows user to get more things done while coding less as compared to other programming language. The syntax and the way it is made and it is written, it allows us to do more work while coding less. While in different programming language, we have to declare data types, variable. This does all of that for us, which saves us time, and which allows us to code less and do more. Moving on. Dynamic in nature. Python doesn't know the type of variables until we run the code. It automatically assigns the data type during execution. Programmer doesn't need to declare variable and their data types. In C programming language, we all know if we are declaring a variable, we have to tell the compiler that what data type are we going to use. In Python, it is dynamic. You can just make a variable, and while running it, the compiler will automatically, after execution, will know what data type has been entered or what data type to be used right there. So it saves time and it helps us to not think about or not code about the data type of each variable, which is very helpful while coding. Now we are going to discuss about the disadvantages of Python. Number 1. Slow speed. Python executes its code line by line, which can often lead to slow execution speed. The dynamic feature also slows the execution speed as Python does extra work to make it compatible for other platforms. What does this mean? The code, when executed on Python, is run executed line by line, and if there are thousands of lines of code, the program slows down because it reads one line, second line, and third line. Most of the compilers do this, but as it is dynamic in nature, it has to it has to declare data types, it has to declare variables, and then it has to do some extra work to work on every platform. So this slows the process down. This is one of the disadvantages. Moving on to the next disadvantage is not memory efficient. Python uses a large amount of memory as it has a lot of libraries to provide simplicity to the developer. To provide this is type of a drawback of being more simpler and more effective. For more effectiveness, it has a lot of libraries and it has a lot of files that does work for us, but the work that it is doing for us has to be stored somewhere. So there are more files as compared to other programming languages. Python is not very memory efficient, and the programs made on it are also not memory efficient as they are based on Python. So they require those files to run and execute. Weak in mobile computing. This sums both the disadvantages that we discussed first. Why is it weak in mobile computing? Python is often used in server-side programming and is considered to be weak on client-side or mobile application for not being memory efficient and slow speed. As the programs made on Python are not memory efficient and are slow in speed, mobile computing requires applications that are lighter in weight, and basically they are memory efficient and they should perform in high speed. And this is the complete opposite of it. So Python programs are not very suitable for the client side or mobile computing, but are very reliable on the server side. Why? Because it has the ability to adopt to every platform, and because of the dynamic nature of it, you don't have to code for each line, each data type, each variable, and you don't have to change the code for any other platform that is going to use your software that is based on Python. So in the end, we will see the conclusion. First, I will review what we learned today. We learned what is Python. We learned about high-level language and general purpose language. Then we learned advantages and disadvantages of Python programming language. So to conclude all the things that we learned in this lesson, Python is a simple and dynamic and very adaptive programming language. Rightly said, anyone from beginner to professional can use the programming language to write programs. Yeah, that is right, but from beginners to professional, it means that it is that easy and very effective and very useful for professionals and very easy for us beginners to use it. So anyone can use it from beginners to professional as it is very easy and highly uh, innovative and effective. So even though it has some disadvantages, but the advantages exceeds them and make it one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Yeah, we know we learned about some of the disadvantages of Python, but surely the advantages of Python exceeds them. Lastly, we will see. So this was the end of the lesson. Any questions and queries are going to be entertained. That's it for the lesson today. Thank you.